Right, this one is from Highfield Functional Skills Level 2. Paper 1, first one I found anyway, and it's a calculator paper. So see what you can do with this. Now 13% of 255. So I'm going to do 13% times 255. And I get the calculator out straight away. 13 divided by 100 times 255 is 33.15. £33.15. Company has 230 employees with the right to more flexible working hours. Of those asked, 198 said yes. So 198 out of 320. We times that by 100 to make it a percentage. So 198 divided by 320 times 100 is 61.87. 198 divided by 200, 320. It's 230, isn't it? I've got my numbers the wrong way round. It's 230. So 60, cancel. 198 divided by 230 this time times 100 is 86%, or thereabouts. There's a lot of other little bits. Go on, I'll round it to 0.1. Right, okay, next one. Onwards, upwards. Show how you check your answer. So I've got to go and look at the answer again. I go 86.1. There, times 230 divided by 100 should equal 198. I don't know, they're stupid, these check things. Okay. Taxi company uses following formula to calculate the cost of a journey. C is the cost, N is the number of miles. Right, calculate the cost of a journey is 25 miles. So 0.5 times 25, and then we add 5 onto the end. So 17.5, 17.5. Yeah. Half of 25 is 12.5, plus the 5 is 17.5. Convert 500 grams into pounds. Oh, right. So 5,000 grams is 5 kilograms times 2.2. So 5 times 2.2 is 11. Is 11 pounds. 11 lbs. Sure, you could check your answer. You could do 11 divided by 2.2 equals 5. So I suppose they're 3 marks if you just go along with it, yeah. Calculate the value of x where x equals 15 plus 84 squared divided by 3. So let's go big maths. Write that down so we could do things in the right order. So we do the indices first. So 84 squared is 7056. So we got 15 plus 7056 divided by 3. Do the divide. So 7056 divided by 3 is 2352. 2352 plus the 15, 67 at the end. 2367. 2367. That's what I make it anyway. Right, calculate that and that. Give your answer as a mixed number. Right, so first of all, let's change this to top heavy. 16. 21 over 8 plus 11 over 16. Make them the same, so double the left one. 42 over 16 plus 11 over 16, which equals 53 over 16. Now, divide that by 16. 3 16s are 48 with 5 left over, so it's 3 and 5 sixteenths. 3 and 5 sixteenths. Alright, next one. What is 36 out of 96 as a fraction? So 36 out of 96, let's half it, 18, 48, 9 out of 24, and divide by 3, so 3 out of 8 might be a good answer for that one. Scenario A. The table shows a number of different sized pipes that have been used. Where they've been used? At the builders. The pipes are grouped according to sizes. The manager thinks the mean diameter of a pipe must be between that and that, as this is the group most used. Is he correct? Now the mean. Now, what we're going to do is we can add all these up to find the number of pipes. Okay, so total pipes. Total pipes. This is a group data, but it's just not written. It's not written normally. It's a funny table. So 18, 28, 31, 34, 35. So that equals 35. Now we've got to find midpoints of these. So you need 37. So the midpoints are 37, 42, 47, 52, and 57. Right. Now we multiply that by these numbers. Right, so that equals 57. So 52 times 3 is 156. And we're going to add all these numbers together in a minute. 47 times 13 is 611. 420. And 37 times 8 is 296. So let's add all these numbers together. 296 plus 420 plus 611 plus 156 plus 57 is 1540. Right, so that is the total length. So to find the mean, we're going to do 15040 divided by 35 is 44. 44 goes in that one. And so the answer is no, because it's in a different one. It's in a different one. My goodness, look how much this is. You're working to see how much it will cost to pay a team of builders. Alright. You know, 6 builders will work on the project. The builder works for 8 hours a day. They get £12 an hour, 42 working days to complete. You agreed to pay the 6 builders extra money to complete the project sooner in 35 working days. Overtime is paid at £18 an hour. Right. 6 builders. So 6 builders times 8 hours a day times 42 hours, 42 days. So 6 times 8 times 42 is 2016 hours. Yeah. Now you're going to do it in 35 days. So 2016 divided by 35 is 57.6 57.6 hours per day. Now, you have only got 48 hours worth of normal time. So you've got 48 hours of normal time. And you've got the difference between that 57.6 minus 48 equals 9.6 hours of overtime. Yeah, and that's per day, right? So you've got 48 times £12 is £576, and you've got 9.6 times £18 an hour, which is 172.80. That's a day. 80, 8, 4, £748 a day. £748 a day. Oh gosh. Right. So do we do 748 times 35 days to get the job done? 748 times 35 days is 26,000. Seems rather expensive, doesn't it? I could get that as 26. Probably done this wrong actually. Total cost is. How much more will it cost to builders to complete it? I'm not reading the question properly, am I? Let's start again. Just work out. Probably right. I'm going to leave that money. I'm going to leave that there. Oh no, hang on, let's okay, oh, hang on. 26180. I'll leave that there in case I need it. 26180. So let's do if they do it in 42, 42 hours, it will be 2,116 hours times £12. 2,016 hours times £12 is equal to 24,192. Now, how much more is the difference between these two numbers? And that 26180 minus 24,192, 8, 9, 1, 1988, 26208 minus 24,192. But something a bit wonky on there, yeah. Let's have a look. It's not far out. It's like a 20 or 30 pounds out, something like that. So we've got 20,016 hours worth of work. We're going to do it in 35 days. So that will be, let's do that, 2016 divided by 35 days is 57.6 hours a day. So 57.6 minus 48, let's just get that right, is 9.6. So each day you're going to do 48 hours worth of work times £12. Each builder gets paid £12 an hour. So we've got 6 builders. Maybe if I do this a slightly different way. It's just so much information, isn't it? So each day we want 48 hours worth of work, and we're going to divide that by 48 divided by 6 equals 8 hours per builder. And then I'm going to have to multiply it by 6 again anyway, aren't I? Yeah. So 48 hours. I still think I'm fairly confident on this, but not 48 hours times £12 an hour. So 48 times £12 an hour is £576. And then we're going to have 9.6 hours of overtime a day times 18 quid. So 9.6 times 18 is 172. And we need to add that up for the daily cost. Which is 748.80. And we've got 35 days times 748. I don't know, I'm doing the same thing twice, aren't I? Times 35. 26,208 this time. 26,208. So, I don't know where I got that number from, because it came out slightly different that time. I did the same thing twice. So 26,208. So that's 6,102. £2,016 more. Right. Don't mind doing things 2 or 3 times. It's okay. Now, what we're doing on this one. Customers ask you to install heating in their living room. You have the floor plan. Yay. You need to work out the volume of the living room. Where's the living room? There. Yeah. Here's the living room. Okay. So that you can advise the customer which heater to install. There are 3 to choose from. The height of the living room is 2.2, and we've got to convert it to feet. Okay. So the volume of this, if we've got a key, that's 1 meter. So let's do the whole thing, and then we'll take away that little corner there. So if we did a whole thing there, and so we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5.5 times 1, 2, 3, 4. So we've got 4 times 5.5 times just do the area first. So 4 times 5.5 is 22. So the area of the whole thing is 22. Now the area of that little triangle there is half base height, which equals a half times the base, which is 1, times the height is 1. So 1 times 1 is 1, half of that is 0.5. So take away that, so 22, take away the 0.5, gives me an area of 21.5. Now the volume is 21.5 times the height of the room, which they've told me somewhere or other is 2.2. So 21.5 times 2.2 is 47.3. 47.3 volume meters cubed. Now the feet is that, right? So we need to do 35.3 times 47.3. That is equal to 1669.69 feet cubed. And the one we're going to buy is the deluxe. Right. Show you're working on. Right, okay, yeah. Right, okay, number 13. Highfield builders plan to build some new apartments. The apartments will be ready to sell. Your managers ask you to research the selling price of apartments in Highfield Town. You find the information. Selling price is 2005. Selling price is 2015. What will be the mean selling price of an apartment in 2025 if the mean price rises by the same percentage? Right, so we've got to find the mean. So 2005 mean and 2015 mean. Okay, so we're going to add them all up together and divide by how many there are. So 54,050, 72,000, 68,000, 49,000, 56,500, 49,900, 49,900, 73,250, 6. Go back. 63,500 equals. So that there is 486,200, and divide that by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Divide that by 8 is 60,775, and do exactly the same with the other ones. Yeah, so we've got 132,000 plus 105,500 plus 98,500 plus 143,000 plus 110,250 plus 172,600 equals. So that one is 761850. Now we divide this by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Divided by 6 is 126975. Now we've got to find the percentage increase. So the percentage increase is the difference over the original, which is the difference between these two numbers. So 126975 minus 60775, 0026 and 6. So we've got 66200 divided by the original, which is 60775 times 100 to get a percentage. So 66200 divided by 60.775 times by 100 is 108%, is 108.926%. Now, how much is it going to sell in 2025 if it arrives? So we've got our 2015 mean is 126,975 times, and we got to 108% times 1.08926, and that is 1383095 and 55 pence on the end. So 13 million, that's mad. I don't think it's that much. The difference over the original. It got a decimal point in the wrong place here. That's that should be 1.08. Okay, so decimal points are in the wrong place. So that should be 1.08926. It's gone up 1%. 1%. It's doubled, isn't it? The difference over the original. I should have gone up like 100%. Oh, it was 100%. Yeah. Hang on. This number's wrong, isn't it? So that was 108.926%. 108.9. I'm going to do it a different way. So this hasn't worked out. So I'm going to work out what 108% of that is. So 108.9226 divided by 100. See whether that comes out as a better number. 126,975 times 108.926. Divide that by 100. 138,308. Why do I keep getting this number? 1.08 now. 108%. So 108%, that should just double that, shouldn't it? Or no, that should just be a little bit. Oh, it should be like, I don't know. If it goes up 100%, it should be 250,000 or something. So I'm doing something fundamentally wrong with finding that. Times 108%. Times 108%. So I need the original. Work out what 108% of that is, and I add the two together, don't I? So times 1.08926. So 126,975 times is 138,308. Then I've got to add these two together. So 138,308.79. 126,975. There. £265,000. 283. Or very nearly. Yeah. I'll just sort of round that. Round that. I don't know why I'm going to. I'm going to round that to 265, £300. Oh, that was hard. Oh, I didn't like that one. Scenario B. Oh, got some drawing now. Scenario B. Right. You're helping to create a new player for the nursery. The player needs to be a rectangle that is 54. 54. Ooh, 6 times 9 equals 54. Yeah. You need to have the following equipment in the play area. Some of that, some of that, some of that, some of that. Draw the outline of the play area on the grid below. So you want 6 by 9. 1 metre. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's 6 by 9. Yeah. Now, see to the seesaw. Climbing frame. Each piece needs to be 1 metre from the edge. So we'll have a seesaw 2.4 times 0.5. So 2.4 times 0.5. Seesaw. Climbing frame 2 by 3. Well, let's another. Oh no, can't get in there. So 2 by 3. 2 by 1, 2, 3. So climbing frame, seesaw, and a sandpit, 1.8 by 3. So that's not going to fit, is it? 1 Ooh, let's turn the climbing frame round. Turn the climbing frame round. I hate these things, right? Turn the climbing frame round. So the climbing frame is 2 by 3. So that's a metre from there. So we'll have 3. 1, 2. So climbing frame that way, 2 by 3. And this was 1.8 by 3. So let's have a, let's go from the end. 1.8 up to there by 3. Something like that. Something like that. Sandpit. Yeah, it would be better with a ruler, of course. Oh, okay. We could plan it. 15. You've been asked to order the sandpit for the play area. The supplier has a suitable sandpit. You've got blue, green, red. Price, price, price. Wait, wait, wait. The supplier uses a formula to calculate how much you charge and deliver. The distance is 25 miles. Which would you choose? Okay, so let's do the blue first of all, and we're going to do 1.2 times 0.45 total miles, 25, yeah, plus 0.8 times 28. Yeah, that's the blue. The green, that includes a free cover. I like the idea of that. Let's find out how much that blue one is, yeah? So 0.45 times 25 is 11, that's 11.25. 11.25 times 1.2 plus 0.8 times 28 is 22.4. 22.4. I think even though that's bit mass, I think we should add these two bits together first because they were in big brackets here, yeah, like that. So 22.4 plus 11.25 equals times that by 1.2, and that equals £40.38. So that's £40.38 for the blue one. Now the green one is 1.2, and it's oh, excuse me, 0.45 times the miles times 26, yeah, plus 0.8 times 30 this time. Right, so we've got that. So 0.45 times 26 is 11.7. 11.7 plus 0.8 times 30 is 24. So that's 35.7 times 1.2. 35.7 times 1.2 is 42.84. 42.84. And we got to do the red one. The red one. So 1.2, 0.45 times the miles. Oh, why did I do 26 there? That's completely cockeyed. Let's go back to this. Completely cockeyed, this one. Making a proper hash of this one. So that's delivering in the setting up. Now plus £25, yeah, is 65.38 for the blue one. Let's have a look. 65.38 for the blue one. Right, okay. The green one is 1.2, 0.45 times 25, whoops, times 25 plus 0.8 times the weight is 30. Okay, so we've got 0.45 times 25 is 11.25, 11.25 plus 0.8 times 30 is 24, so that's 35.25 times the 1.2, so 35.25 times 1.2 is 42.30, 42.30. The actual cost of that thing is 26. We've got £38.68. And the other colour is the red one. Red one, so we've got 1.2, 0.45 times 25 plus 0.8 times 32. Okay, so 0.45 times 25 is 11.25 again, and 0.8 times 32 is 25.6, 25.6 plus 11.25 is 36.85. Now we're going to multiply that by the 1.2. So times 1.2 equals, so that comes out as 44.22, and the cost of that one is £30. So that's going to be £74.22. So now we know how much they all cost. Now we've only got a budget of £70, so that can't be it. The blue one, but the green one gets a free cover and we can afford that, so I'm going to go for the green at last. Yeah, you could do the blue and buy the cover, I don't know, but I would, yeah, I'd go for the green one because it's got a cover. Number 16, yet one more. Here's a table of the heights and shoe sizes of some of the children at the nursery. Name, height, shoe size. Draw a scatter diagram to represent this. So the height has got to go up to 100 and something, okay? So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, and 110. Right, so this is height in whatever it is, centimeters, and shoe size goes from 6 up to 11. So we don't need to start here. So if we go 5 there, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So this is shoe size. Alright, now we're going to plot all these things, right? 11 is 98, 11 is 98. 10 is 104. 10 is 104. 9 is 94. 9 is 94. 11 is 106. 11 is 106. 6 is 81. 6 is 81. 6 is also 85. 9 is 92. A bit close together, that one there. 10 is 95. 10 is 95. 9 is 91. Why so many in the same place? Yeah. And 7 is 89. 7 is 89 there. Okay, there's a scatter diagram. So what what type of scatter diagram does it follow as a positive? What is the mode shoe size of the children? The mode is the most common shoe size. So go back up to here. The most common shoe is this one, 11. So the most common, oh no, that's just bare, 11, 11. So 10, 10. 9, 9, 9. 9. 9 appears more often than the other ones. 9. Alright. End of assessment. My goodness, that was a tricky one. Yeah. Let's stop that one. Bye.